Want Daddy help you? Say help. What did Grandpa get you?
Open it.
Open it up. You're gonna have to help him now. There we go. Now Cooper do.
What's in there?
What is that?
What's that?
Cooper, what is that?
Look, the cock.
Is that a truck? Whoa! Whoa, buddy. Cooper, can you say thank you? Say thank you, Grandpa. Oh. Cooper, do you love it? What is it? It's a truck. Say thank you. Say thank you, Grandpa.